slow. Bismillah, with a playful form. In the middle, greeting as a new day is drawn. Bismillah is what the dolphins sing in the ocean's embrace, where they dance and swing. Bismillah, save the bees in the hive, with the hum so sweet in their buzzing jive. Bismillah, with the wise old owl in the moonlit night, when the branches proud. Bismillah, with the elephant's grace in the vast savannah, in every open space. Bismillah, with the butterflies fly and dance in the garden, so delicate and bright. Bismillah, with the camels stride in the desert fast, where secrets hide. So let's join the chorus as we end the day. Bismillah in every creature's play. In the harmony of life, let's find our way. Bismillah, the words we lovingly say. Bismillah, 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 Bismillah. Bismillah in the morning, Bismillah at night. Bismillah is the key to everything that's right. It's a magical phrase, we love to say it loud. Bismillah makes us feel so proud. Yeah. Bismillah, let's party and have some fun. Come on, let's go. Bismillah, the day has just begun. Yeah. Bismillah, let's dance and sing along. Bismillah, Bismillah all day long. Bismillah when we play, Bismillah when we share. Bismillah, it shows that we care. We care when we help our friends, when we're kind and true. Bismillah is what we say and do. Ooh, yeah. Bismillah, let's spread joy everywhere. Spread the joy. Bismillah, with love and tender care. With our care. Bismillah in every game we play. Every game. Bismillah, Bismillah every day. Every day. Bismillah when we learn. Bismillah when we read. Bismillah in every good deed. Good deed. In the stories we hear, in the lessons we know. Bismillah is the way we grow. Bismillah, it's a beautiful sound. Such a sound. Bismillah, with happiness found. Bismillah, in our laughter and song. Bismillah, Bismillah all day long. All day long. So we say Bismillah in the sun and the rain. Bismillah again and again, with a heart full of joy and a smile so bright. Bismillah, Bismillah makes everything right.
Wake up in the morning feeling bright and new. Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful for what I've been through. Every day's a blessing, I can't deny. Alhamdulillah, say it with a smile. Oh yeah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you for this day. Alhamdulillah, grateful in every way. From the moment I wake to the stars shine above. Alhamdulillah, I feel good love. Oh yeah, step out of the house under the sky so blue. Alhamdulillah, for the world so true. With every step in the sun's warm glow, Alhamdulillah, for the beauty that I know. Ooh yeah, Alhamdulillah, thank you for the light. Alhamdulillah, for the day so bright. From the morning sun to the peaceful dove, Alhamdulillah, for the world I love. Ooh yeah, Alhamdulillah, sitting with my family, sharing a meal. Alhamdulillah, for the joy we feel. Laughter and stories, together we share. Alhamdulillah, for this life so fair. Ooh yeah, Alhamdulillah, for the moment so dear. Alhamdulillah, for the loved ones near. From the smallest whisper to the highest above, Alhamdulillah, for this life of love. Ooh yeah. As I lay down tonight, in the quiet of the night, Alhamdulillah, for the stars shining bright. For each day's end and each new dawn's hug, Alhamdulillah, for the blessings of love. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. The moon shines bright in the dark night sky, and the stars twinkle, lighting up so high. Gather together as one big family to celebrate and feel the joy of Ramadan. Oh, Ramadan, Ramadan, it's a blessed time, oh yes it is. We fast from dawn till the sun goes down. Praise of Ramadan, love all around. In the early morning light, before the day begins, we share suhoor, the silence within. So calm, so bright, with laughter and whispers in the pre-dawn haze, preparing for the fast in the Ramadan days. Ramadan days. Oh, Ramadan, Ramadan, a time to reflect, to grow and bond. From sunrise to sunset, we feel the peace in the rays of Ramadan. Our spirits release. Ooh yeah. In the evening's embrace, as the day ends, gathered for iftar with family and friends. So warm, so bright, breaking our fast with dates and water in hand. Grateful hearts, together we stand, we stand. Oh, Ramadan, Ramadan, moments so precious we cherish and plan. As the moon overseas, we feel its embrace. Rays of Ramadan filling our space. As the last days of Ramadan come to close, our hearts are full with love, it glows. It glows. Eyes joy on the horizon, a festive cheer. Until next Ramadan, we hold these days dear, so dear. Oh, Ramadan, Ramadan, in each fasting day our faith grows strong. Together we stand in hope and in prayer. Rays of Ramadan, 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 Ramadan. In each fasting day our faith grows strong. Together we stand in hope and in prayer. Rays of Ramadan, a bond we all share. We dare as the crescent moon of Ramadan gently fades. We welcome light with hearts full of joy and praise. So bright, carrying the lessons and love in our heart. Until the next Ramadan, we'll hold these memories as a part.
Look at the cat, soft and small. Allah made her tail and all. Purr and cuddle, play and nap in the sun on my lap.
Fish in the water, swimming by, bubbles and splashes, oh so shy. Colors bright in the sea, Allah's wonders for you and me.
Allah's animals, let's explore, from the sky to the ocean floor, learning and playing every day. In Allah's world we laugh and play. Thank you Allah for what we see, animals living wild and free. Bless them all and help us care for your creatures everywhere.
Colors bright in the sea, Allah's wonders for you and me.
Allah's animals, let's explore, from the sky to the ocean floor, learning and playing every day. In Allah's world we laugh and play. Allah's animals, let's explore, from the sky to the ocean floor, learning and playing every day. In Allah's world we laugh and play.
Thank you Allah for what we see, animals living wild and free. Bless them all and help us care for your creatures everywhere.